Hello Vlogmas! Day 23! We're in a silly mood and we're off Christmas shopping without bees, so yay, grandparents! See you in a bit! Are you ready? Ready? Okay, good, hold it up really tight, really tight.
That was a big bang.
Can I get a party hat out? Let me see how it's turned again. Wow! Welcome to Breakfast with Santa! Wow! Wow, very grown up for free.
You're going to sing along with all the songs?
You're going to have to help us with the singing.
What's your name? Beatrice. Oh, Beatrice. You've got a Beatrice. You've got a princess
I like
here.
that.
Princess Beatrice. You didn't know she was coming, did you? Oh, what about these? Oh, hello.
What?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Wow, look at these, Daddy.
Your favourite. What have you got, Bella?
Wow, great gift. Look at what she got. Look at that. Oh, they know you as well, B.
Hey, what did you get, darling? Did you say daddy?
Oh, wow.
Fly. When they meet with an obstacle, mount to the sky. So up to the housetop, the coursers they flew, with a sleigh full of toys, and St. Nicholas too. And then, in a twinkling, I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each tiny hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur, from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished and covered with soot. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "That's me, Rudolph, with your nose so bright.
Won't you take the sleigh tonight?"
Wonderful. And then how the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, "Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history." Well done, everybody. Wow. I love my little choir sitting here. Very good. Now, Santa got stuck up the chimney. Achoo! 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 Way! Well done.
Happy New Year!
Good tidings we bring to you and your king.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Hooray! Merry Christmas, everybody!
You should get some photos of this as well.
Yeah, I was.
It says Christmas like party hats and face masks.
At doctors. At local doctor surgeries that we've never been to before. This is just a check-up, just to see how everything's going for them both. Right, I've managed to get rid of Stephen for a bit because I need to get him some little stocking fillers. So I'm charity shopping and looking for my bank. I found Stephen in his natural habitat. looking at books in the charity shop. So this is Lymington, near Stephen's parents. It's such a lovely high street. It's got so many good charity shops. It's literally like jam-packed with them, and that's our favourite type of shopping. So Stephen and I are very happy to be here. I've done all his presents and his stocking, a really good stocking. I've even got him some sweet treats that he loves, that are a bit rare, so I'm really pleased about that. And yeah, I feel good about this. I think I'm ready. I think I'm done. I didn't make any presents this year, which I'm a bit upset about, but look, I mean, things were not really on my side, were they? So I'm not going to hold that against myself. Next year will be the year for homemade presents. But yeah, no, I feel good that it's all kind of, a lot of it is secondhand as well, which I'm really pleased about. And yeah, all good. Yay!
Very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you
say it
glow. All of
The other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Hey, so it's about 6:15, and I am I've pretty much finished my wrapping. Actually, I just got to even wrap Stephen's present while he was downstairs, so that was good. We haven't quite done B's yet because it was just too risky wrapping her presents while she was playing, like literally outside our door on the landing with her cousins. So but yeah, it's been so lovely be with her cousins. I mean, she's hyper. I think her blue inhaler makes her super hyper, and she's like running around screaming, but I haven't had to worry about it because everyone keeps saying, don't worry, like, just, you know, we're here to worry about this today. So that's what the grandparents have been doing since we arrived. It's like they really got that we needed a break, and I'm so thankful to them because the whole of today we basically haven't. Oh, it's been amazing. So I've got time to like wrap and pack, and I'm editing, and yeah, really, really cool. I can't remember another day like this since B was born where I really actually felt like relaxed, like they've got this and I'm all good. Yeah, so that's been amazing. What a Christmas miracle. Health update. So the GP appointment, the GP was so lovely. Oh my goodness, he was lovely. He basically said that both Stephen and B have got a viral thing. It's most likely just going to go away in a few days. He doesn't think it will get any worse. He doesn't think that they'll need antibiotics, but because it's Christmas, he's given B a prescription for antibiotics if we need it, which at the moment, I mean, she's like, you've seen all the footage, so you're like, wait, didn't she just say she's ill? And she's just running around like nothing is going on. She stops to cough a lot, but apart from that, she is in really, really good form. And you always say that, you know, with kids, you know, if something's up, and nothing's up with B in terms of her personality and the way that she's enjoying life at the moment. So yeah, so I'm so pleased we went for peace of mind, so that I'm not really worried and thinking, should I just be in hospital with her again? She's really improving now, and yeah, apart from the odd cough, we keep putting the oximeter on her, and I love the fact that we have an oximeter. It really helps. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's literally an oxygen meter, and it also does their pulse rate as well, so it really helps us know that she's okay. And we've been giving her that, you know, like every few hours or whatever, and her inhaler if she gets really out of breath. So yeah, I feel like at the moment we're on top of it. Stephen's not been great though. He's really he's being a trooper, and he's stuffing himself full of Lemsip, but he's not great, poor thing. So hopefully he will get much better tomorrow, just in time for Christmas. I'm going to cut this one short and end at 6, because I really want to have everything edited before I have his supper with the family, and then I can actually just have a nice evening with him and check that, you know, he's okay and stuff, because I've been a bit like, I'm sorry, Urel, I'm just going to do some Vlogmas, and I don't want to do that. So yeah, I'm going to finish now. So, oh, you will get B's advent calendar. Yeah, I better do that later.
It's 23. That's a 2 and a 3. Well done.
Well
Straight
done,
to it. Do you
darling.
want me to read it for you? Stop looking for it. I'll read you the clue first. You're just doing a smile around the room. Totally not searching for it just yet.
On the 23rd of December, we all sat in Grandma and Grandpa's house when a knock at the door stopped us talking, and we all sat as quiet as a mouse. And then, a familiar voice piped up from the side. Then you better come in, said Absalom. Don't know if that-
Yeah, that's right.
But he, come on, darling, don't read anymore.
Too emotional, is it? But he couldn't, no matter how hard he tried. You're doing it wrong, the caterpillar said. Try again from the other side. Other side of what? Came a worried voice. Of what's the other side? Should I
try?
Should I try?
Side?
The looking glass, of course.
The looking glass. That's a mirror, isn't it?
Now look, under the tree,
Oh.
for two sides.
One a rabbit and one a looking glass. Oh, so you're looking for something under the tree that's a rabbit on one side and a mirror on the other.
Can you see anything like that?
It might be that tree. Do you want to go and have a look and see? You'll need to look all around. Is it on the presents?
Oh, that's something else. Don't know what that is. Don't worry, sweetie, it's not that. You're very, very close. Oh,
You're touching it. You might not know it's the gift. Bea, what's that under your arm?
Bea, what's that under your arm, darling?
Is that the white rabbit?
But there's the mirror.
It's on the other side. Turn it over again.
Do you want to bring it here and I'll open it and show you? It's a looking glass, a white rabbit looking glass.
Wow.
After that very convoluted clue. Look.
Poor Daddy
It
is
says,
under the influence of
Alice
Lemsip.
in Wonderland pocket mirror. So there's the white rabbit, and on the other side you got a little mirror. Shall I open it for you?
Bless you.
Are you okay?
I keep watching.
Here we go.
Who else goes
So you
itchy,
can
itchy,
have that, and then
itchy?
if you want, that's the mirror.
Oh, wow.
And you can pull faces at yourself.
Wow. I look in the mirror. Who's in the mirror? Grandma. Who's in the mirror? Who's in the mirror? Who's there? Is it a little elf?
Are you pulling tongues
Is it a
at
naughty
Bee in the mirror?
elf? Is it Bee? Is it Bee? With the giraffe tongue?
Could you, what happens if you give a smile to Bee in the mirror? Does Bee in the mirror smile back at you?
Aww.
And what happens if you...
What's that?
Oh, have you turned into a white rabbit?
What's that? Who's that?
Right up.
The white rabbit.
Happy 21st of December, everybody.
Yay! Lots and lots of love, everyone. Thank you so much for your messages of love and support, by the way. Asking if we're okay and checking in on us and get well soon. It really, really, it means so much to me and to all of us. So yeah, all right, guys. See you tomorrow on Christmas Eve, the last Vlogmas. Lots of love. Take care.